there, I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing. So I'm gonna try in under 3 minutes to teach you part of Stairway to Heaven by Led Zeppelin. It's like a 77-minute song or whatever, and I don't have time to do, that whole thing. And this is a beginner's lesson. It sounds hard, but we're gonna make it work really fast. No capo. We're gonna start here with an A minor, and you can play an A7, which is where the G string is ringing out, and you want to add your pinky to it and go like this. Pinky on the 3rd fret of the E string, right there, and go. And then remove the pinky like that. So now go to a D major, except you're leaving that E string open again, and then add it back in. That's a regular D major. Now you do it again. Now you take a D major shape, but we're going all the way to the 7th fret. So it's a D major shape, and you're leaving the D note open. Now you can do a simple way to do it would be to go on that E string from the 7th to the 5th to the 3rd fret, back to the 5th. Or you could do, when you got that note, you could do these 2 notes and go. So this one is on the 7th of the B string, that's on the 5th of the E string, and then go down 2 frets, 5th of the B string, 3rd of the E string, and back up. So, and lastly, you could play the whole thing, which is you basically do what we just did, but you're also including the G on the 7th fret down to the 5th fret and back up to the 7th fret. So listen. I'll give you those notes. Okay, so real quickly. Super cool. Now we're just gonna skip to the chorus. We're going really fast. It's A minor to G, F, 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 G, A minor. If you don't want to do bar chords, you can do a regular A minor, G, F, 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 G, A minor. That was so insanely fast. Who else does a 3-minute guitar lesson for Stairway to Heaven? No one on YouTube except me, because I guess I'm a little bit crazy. I'll try maybe a part 2 and get into some of the cooler or not cooler stuff, but or whatever. So we'll do that another time. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you around for some more fast, super fast lessons. See ya.